Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Event Solutions, locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician, instructor through CSIA. Just coming back to you on the part two, the conclusion of the reroute that I did in the basement. First thing I want to point out is now that my YouTube channel is taken off and I'm getting a lot of subscribers and followers to that, a lot of people say, oh, this is just a big advertisement. First of all, I want you to know it is an advertisement, but on the flip side of it, it is general knowledge and education. So if you want to try this at home yourself, then you can. However, there's a lot of dishonest people out there that will cut your video, steal your video, reuse your video, and try to reuse your work as their own. And it's very shoddy and wrong. So that's why I'm always announcing who I am, my phone number, my address, or my phone number, my email address, and my web address. It's just to protect the video and the quality. So in the first video, if you'll remember, that pipe ran right across there, came all the way across to here. And one thing I found when I was doing it, they used actual shoelace rope to hold this up or secure the pipe. I've not read that anywhere in a manual. The other thing I want to notice is they shared the hole with cable wires and stuff like that. And then it came across to here, and then they said, oh, well, we'll use a little bit of metal strapping, but then we'll also use some wire ties. And then they came all the way down here, through that corner, and came across to here. Now, that caused almost 60 feet of pipe. They had, if I remember correctly, 25 feet in elbows and almost 30 feet in pipe, 55 to 60 feet. So after I rerouted it and took it out, we have a 5-foot section of pipe left over. We have a 3-foot section of pipe left over. We have a small little 8-inch piece of connector pipe that they use left over. And 1, 2, 3 elbows. So with that said, the 3 elbows is 15 feet because the International Mechanical Code says that each 90 equals 5 feet. So there's 15 feet plus that 5 feet right there. That is 20 feet. Then you got your 3 feet. That's 23 feet and your little. So 3 feet, 8 inches is what we took out by code. Now, this company did not know how to make a joint, or they did not have the crimpers to make that right there. So on one of them, they put female to female, and what I mean by that, if you don't understand, which is fine, is they took 2 females and they put together like this. Well, the pipe is supposed to go inside. Well, they didn't do that. So then what they did was they just took this piece and put over it like this. They put it over like that and then just taped it. And that's how they made that joint. So, needless to say, poorly done, improper, incorrect. And what we did is we came the back out of the dryer. We came down. We retaped this. We put 1 elbow right there. So you have the elbow behind the dryer and you have that elbow right there, which is code approved. And then we just we shot straight through. We came down here, we went through, continuing the process. Now, you ask about elbows. Code only counts elbows that are 22 degrees or greater, 45 degrees. So 45 degrees is 2.5 feet added, 90 degrees is 5 feet. So that is only a 22 degree angle, therefore it's not counted into another 22 degree angle, and nice smooth, the brushes will flow through there, and then we're out without an elbow right here. So what is our makeup length? We have a little coupler at the end there, so I'm going to call this piece 6 feet. Then we have 7 feet, 5 more feet, so we're at 12 feet. Another 5-foot section at 17 feet, and then a 3-foot section at 20 feet. So we have 20 feet with 2 elbows, making a total of 30 feet. So we went from 60 to 65 feet, and we cut that in half, and that is going to increase the airflow. And again, this is all the leftover that they had. So some people will say, oh, you're beating up handyman. You're beating up. I'm not beating up handyman at all. However, a family hired this guy to do the job. He did it wrong, made it worse, and then had to pay me to do it. So if his job is $300 or $400, my job is $300 and $400 per se. You've got $800 into a job that you could have just paid it right the first time by calling a nationally recognized instructor through CSIA or a nationally recognized CDAP not student, but certified dryer exhaust technician. So this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. I am locally owned, veteran operated, certified dryer exhaust technician. I do cover a 50-mile radius of Indianapolis with no service fee or trip charges, 75-mile radius with a trip charge. So you can jump on your little MapQuest, do Indianapolis to wherever you live at, and if you're within 75 miles, then of course you're my customer. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, always trying to provide the safest, most efficient way for your dryer to vent. That way you don't have to worry about a house fire when you're drying your clothes. Again, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions can be found on Facebook, can be found at safedvs.com. And we now have a YouTube channel, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. So do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I will show you.